before you buy hosting for your new blog that you're going to use for your affiliate links, hear me out. Because the wrong choice won't just cost you money, it will cost you time, tech headaches, and possibly even quitting before you even start. So today we're going to compare Bluehost and Hostinger. I hope I'm saying that right. Hostinger. Okay, stay to the end to find out which one I chose. Okay, I'm going to compare prices. I'm going to compare all the things that make sense for us as bloggers that we want, and especially as a beginner blogger, what you want to know about choosing a place where to host a website. Okay, so of course, most important part, let's get into pricing. We have the pricing for Bluehost and we have the pricing for Hostinger. Both companies advertise super low intro prices, like under $5. But with Hostinger, you'll usually see plans starting around $2, $2.50 to $2.99 per month. And if you commit for longer term, it gets even cheaper. With Bluehost, they start at about $2.95 a month. This is in dollars. Okay, so here it says $3.99 per month on a 36-month plan and $6.99. Oh, this is Bluehost. Okay, so even the data that I had before is a little bit different than what they're currently showing on their website. So this is Bluehost. And then let's see the pricing for Hostinger. For 48 months, you get it $2.99, $1.99, even the cheapest, plus 3 months free. So let's just put it on 36 months. They don't have the 36 months like Bluehost. Let's compare prices on 12 months then, so that we actually have the same pricing to compare. So on 12 months. Okay, let's see. Hostinger, this is the one that I recommend because this is the one that has the Amazon affiliate integration. So $4.49 per month. Let's see Bluehost. For 12 months, their starter one is $4.99 per month. Do they have the Amazon integration? Let us see. That's quite important. Multi-site management. Okay, I don't see it just off the bat. Okay, but that is something important that we need to find out. So at the first glance, they both look a little bit the same, not too much difference in pricing, but this is what most people don't realize, especially beginners. The renewal price is where you will really see the difference. And Hostinger typically renews around $7 to $8 per month, while Bluehost often jumps to $11 to $12 per month, and sometimes even more depending on your plan. So over a few years, that will add up. So purely on pricing, Hostinger is the winner here. Generally, it's the most affordable option. Now, let's go to ease of use. Let's talk about what matters for bloggers and especially for beginners and what we want to use this for affiliate marketing. So they both offer one-click WordPress install. They both offer free SSL. I don't even know what SSL is, but apparently that's important. They both offer basic email, which is quite interesting. And they both have simple setup. So you're not losing out either way. But the difference is in the dashboard. Hostinger uses something called the H panel. It's clean, it's modern, it's minimal. And if you've never used hosting before, it can feel like it's overwhelming. And some people love that they can have more control on Bluehost with the C panel, H panel and C panel. Okay. Anyway, so the Bluehost one is more traditional. It has more tools and it's got more options visible. So that's why some people love that more. And for beginners, it can feel a bit too cluttered, like too much. So here's my take on which one I prefer. And I definitely go with Hostinger. I like Hostinger because it's simple, it's streamlined, and it has a lot of built-in tools. So if you like having more built-in tools and you don't mind a slightly busier dashboard, then Bluehost is great. My final verdict is if you're starting a blog, you're on a tight budget, you want low renewal costs, and you want a clean, beginner-friendly setup, go with Hostinger. But if you prefer a more traditional hosting experience and you like the familiarity of the cPanel, I don't even know what the cPanel is, so for me, that's really not a thing, and you want a very established WordPress-focused host, then Bluehost is apparently the one to go for. So neither of them are bad, but they're not identical. And so if pricing really matters, Hostinger is the winner. So if you found this helpful, hit subscribe, especially if you're building a blog online, if you're looking for online income streams, and you don't want to waste time or money on the wrong tools. And tell me in the comments, are you starting a blog from scratch or are you switching hosts? And don't forget to look at my next video. This one here will show you how to start up with Amazon Associates, which is affiliate marketing, without even having a blog. You can do it without a website or without a blog. Have a fabulous day.
Screen face down, still it buzzes on the table. Same name, same sound.